Did you know that the pungent aroma of stinky cheese is a symphony composed by tiny creatures called bacteria? These bacteria break down proteins and fats in the cheese, releasing volatile compounds that tickle our noses with their strong scents. We can't see them, but these microscopic organisms play a big role in the smells we encounter every day. They are the unseen artists behind many of the odors that define our world, both pleasant and unpleasant. From the refreshing scent of rain known as petrichor to the less desirable odor of sweaty socks, bacteria are everywhere. They are constantly at work, breaking down organic matter and releasing gases that contribute to these familiar smells. They live in the soil, water, and air, and even inside our bodies. In fact, our bodies are home to trillions of bacteria, many of which are essential for our health and well-being. Most bacteria are harmless, and some are even beneficial, aiding in digestion and protecting us from harmful pathogens. These friendly bacteria are crucial for maintaining a balanced ecosystem within our bodies. But a few bad apples can make quite a stink. These harmful bacteria can cause food to spoil and produce foul odors, reminding us of their powerful presence in our daily lives. Bacteria are single-celled organisms, some of the smallest and most ancient forms of life on Earth. Despite their tiny size, they play a massive role in our ecosystem. Imagine them as tiny, self-contained factories, constantly working and multiplying. Each bacterium is a complex machine performing numerous functions essential for life. They feed on organic matter, anything from dead leaves to the food we eat, breaking it down and releasing byproducts. This process is crucial for nutrient cycling in nature. These byproducts are often volatile compounds that evaporate easily, reaching our noses as smells. The distinct odors we associate with decay or fermentation are thanks to these tiny organisms. Some bacteria thrive in warm, moist environments, while others prefer oxygen-rich or oxygen-poor conditions. Their adaptability allows them to colonize a wide range of habitats. Their preferences dictate where they live and the kind of smells they produce. From the soil beneath our feet to the depths of the ocean, bacteria are everywhere, shaping the world in ways we often overlook. One notorious odor-causing bacteria is. This little fellow lives on our skin and produces a cheesy odor when it breaks down sweat. Another culprit is, which gives stinky cheese its characteristic aroma. It thrives in the moist, protein-rich environment of cheese, breaking down amino acids into smelly compounds. Then there's the sulfur-loving gang found in sewers and mud. These bacteria produce hydrogen sulfide, the rotten egg smell that makes us wrinkle our noses. But why do bacteria produce odors? It's a question that might have crossed your mind when encountering a particularly unpleasant smell. It's not to annoy us, although it might seem that way sometimes. In fact, these odors serve a much more significant purpose in the natural world. These odors are often byproducts of their metabolic processes, like digestion. When bacteria break down organic matter, they release various compounds, some of which have strong smells. Think of it as bacteria's way of saying, "I'm here, and I'm busy." These tiny organisms are constantly at work, breaking down materials and recycling nutrients. These smells can be useful. They can provide important signals to other organisms, including humans. For instance, the rotten smell of spoiled food is a warning sign, telling us not to eat it because it could be harmful. This is a natural defense mechanism that helps protect us from potential dangers. On the other hand, some bacterial smells can be quite pleasant. The earthy aroma of freshly tilled soil, for example, indicates the presence of beneficial bacteria that are essential for healthy plant growth. So, the next time you hold your nose at a bad smell, remember the invisible world of bacteria working away. Appreciate the complex and fascinating science behind the stink, and how these tiny organisms play a crucial role